In this video, we'll explain how to use sections in BuildMyChecks, using an hourly toilet cleaning schedule as an example. Sections help group related questions together and are especially useful when the same checks need to be repeated multiple times. We'll start by creating the check in the web app, making the section repeatable. Then we'll show how the check is completed in both the web and mobile apps. Step 1. Create a new check. From the dashboard, create a new check and give it a clear name, such as hourly toilet cleaning. Step 2. Add a section. Add a section to group all toilet cleaning questions together. Clear hourly cleaning record. This provides a full audit trail showing when each clean was completed, by who, and with supporting evidence. Step 3. Make the section repeatable. Enable the repeatable option, so the section can be completed multiple times during the day. Tip: perfect for hourly, shift-based, or round-based checks. Part 2. Schedule the check. Daily schedule and keep hourly checks with one form. Schedule the check to run daily, so staff are prompted to complete the cleaning throughout the day. Step 5. Complete the check. When completing the check, each hour is recorded as a new section entry. This creates a clear record of every clean carried out during the day. Part 4. Conduct the check. Mobile app. The same repeatable section appears in the mobile app. Staff simply add a new section entry each time the toilet is cleaned, even when working offline. Clear hourly cleaning record. This provides a full audit trail showing when each clean was completed, by who, and with supporting evidence. Subscribe for more BuildMyChecks how-to videos.